all started to wail. They were jumping and hollering and stomping their feet. The whole place began to swing. Oh Lord, have mercy, you should have heard those wild and crazy jailbirds sing. Let's rock! Everybody, let's rock! Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Good old Spider Murphy blew real hard and loud on his shiny tenor saxophone, and little Joe was right out there sliding and wailing away on his old slide trombone. The wildest, craziest drummer boy from Illinois went crash, boom, bang, and the whole rhythm section was none other than the one and only legendary Purple Gang. Let's rock! Everybody, let's rock! Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Oh, number 47 hollered out real loud across the crowded room to number 3. Said, honey, you're the prettiest little jailbird these tired and weary old eyes ever did see. I'd sure be over the moon and back 1,000 times just to have a little bit of your sweet company. So come on now, sweet little baby, and do the jailhouse rock. Hell with me, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Oh, lonely sad sack was all slumped up on a cold and lonely block of stone, stuck way over in the darkest, coldest corner of the room, just sobbing all alone. The warden walked on over slowly and hollered out real loud, hey there, buddy, don't you be no square. If you ain't got yourself a dancing partner here tonight, just go on ahead and grab that old wooden chair. Let's rock! Everybody, let's rock! Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Shifting, leaning real close over the bugs and whispered low, for heaven's sake, not a single living soul is watching us right now. This here is our one golden chance to make a break. Bugsy slowly turned all the way around to Shifty, flashed him a big wide grin and said, nix, nix, I'd much rather just